If you forgot your iPad password, let us tell you how to fix it. If you try to enter your password multiple times, then you will get the Forgot Password option. By doing this process, all your data will be lost, but your iCloud data will not be lost. Then you will need to enter your Apple ID password. The process will take 2 to 3 minutes. Now set up your iPad as if it were new. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.